Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create account on Bandlab. First of all, you can download the Bandlab application in your App Store or Play Store. After downloading the app, you can just simply open the app, and here you can see this type of interface. You can sign up with your email that you set, or you can continue with your Apple account or your Google account or your Facebook account. I can continue with my Apple account, so now I can tap on Apple, and here you can now tap on continue at the bottom middle of the screen. And after a few seconds of signing in, you can set the username. Now you can tap on next, and after this you can just simply select this, tap on next, and here you can just simply select one of this. Now tap on next, and after this you can now skip this page by tapping on skip at the top right corner of the screen. And here the account is created on Bandlab. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.